life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. With this beautiful quote by Swami Vivekanand, I, Arshdeep Kaur of 11th Commerce, would like to begin our digital assembly on the National Youth Day. India celebrates the National Youth Day on 12th January every year. This date was chosen to honor the birthday of Swami Vivekanand, one of India's greatest social leaders. He saw hope for the future in every child and believed that they could bring about social change. My classmates have taken initiative to educate you all more about the National Youth Day. To enlighten the significance of this day, here is Miss Avneet Kaur with a meaningful quote on this occasion.
It is, you have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. I repeat my quote, you have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul.
Avneet, that was indeed a wonderful quote. The National Youth Day reminds us that we must always value the youth energy because they are the future of the country. Now, to elaborate more about the importance of this day, here we have Jasmine with us with an English article on the National Youth Day.
January 12 marks the birth of Swami Vivekananda, who was a true luminary credited with enlightening the Western world about Hinduism. He was ardent disciple of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa. To honor his many contributions in the country, the Government of India in the year 1984 decided to celebrate his birthday as National Youth Day. The main motive to celebrate his birthday was the rational thinking among the youth.
Thank you, Jasmine, for enhancing our knowledge about this occasion. Youth is the future of its nation. A fit and healthy youth will ultimately lead to the development of its nation. So next we have Mayank Ramola and Akshat Jaiswal with some easy yet beneficial yoga asanas.
Om Mitraya Namaha, Om Ravaye Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Bhanave Namaha, Om Khagaya Namaha, Om Pushne Namaha, Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha, Om Marichaya Namaha, Om Adityaya Namaha, Om Savitre Namaha, Om Arkaya Namaha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha.
Thank you, friends. That would surely encourage everyone to do the same. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Really, what an inspirational quote by Swami Vivekanand. There is a lot that he has taught the world. Therefore, today on the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand, here is a tribute to him by my classmates Kirti, Sanjana, Aditi, Himanshi, and Sneha.
Today is my privilege to introduce the Hindu monk from the Holy Land of India. Please welcome Swami Vivekanand ji. In this culture, we understand that God is our making. We use Him for human emancipation rather than seeing Him as a supreme power which rules us. Today, I am happy to be amongst you all. My dear young friends, let me share my limited knowledge on religion and spirituality with you. God is within us, or divinity resides within all things. Our Vedantic culture admits that purity, perfection and strength is present in the soul already. Faith and sympathy is the secret of greatness. आप लोग पूजा किसी भी वस्तु की कर सकते हैं, पर हाँ, उसमें ईश्वर के दर्शन होने चाहिए. किसी भी मूर्ति या चित्र को ईश्वर समझना भूल है. ईश्वर तो सर्वव्यापी है. भक्ति तो तुम्हारे अंदर बसी हुई है, बस उस पर काम कांचना का पर्दा पड़ा हुआ है. एकाग्रता की सहायता से मानव सर्वोत्तम सत्य तक पहुंच सकता है. खुद पर विश्वास हो तो मानव कभी विचलित नहीं हो सकता. जब आप खुद को पहचान लेते हो, तब आप ईश्वर को अपने अंदर ढूंढ लेते हो. मेरे गुरुजी कहा करते थे, लोटा भी ईश्वर है और कटोरी भी ईश्वर है, हम सभी में ईश्वर है और हम सभी ईश्वर का ही अंश है. Never quarrel about religion. All quarrel and dispute concerning simply shows that spirituality is not present. उठो जागो तथा लक्ष्य प्राप्ति होने तक रुको मत.
दृश्येषु विवेच्य नित्यं तस्मिन् समाधत्ते स्मलीलया विवेकवैराग्यविशुद्धचित्तं योऽसौ विवेकी तमहं नमामि. योऽसौ विवेकी तमहं नमामि.
Wonderful job, friends. Thank you all for that. Now, last but not the least, here our respected teacher, Mr. Subham Batra sir, have something to say on this eve.
To the heroes of the tomorrow and to the energies that will define the future of our nation, wishing you all a very happy National Youth Day. So, the future of a nation that always depends on the youth of the country. So again, best wishes for the National Youth Day. The best resource that a nation can have to grow is youth. Cheers to the young energy and young minds on the National Youth Day.